Chef Shibu, please take this. Take this spatula. Okay, guys, let's go. How to do this viral chocolate cake? Let's do now. So I will show you how to mix. This is a little bit difficult. See, you understand now, huh? Very good. Okay, guys, we'll go now step by step. So I will explain you now. Just wait. Okay. So this is the ingredients. There is cocoa powder, T45 flour, and baking soda, baking powder. Now we're going to add yogurt and corn oil.
Corn oil and vanilla
essence. So I will show you step by step how to mix this. Chef Shibu, please
hold.
Okay. Guys, this is the viral cake in Dubai right now. So you are guys very lucky to see this. And now we're going to add milk chocolate sauce. Okay, today 2 chefs are making this cake, so helping each other. It's good teamwork. No, only folding, Make fast, Shibu. Yes, only mixing like this. This one very soft, guys, very soft cake, same like a sponge. Yes, only falling, huh? Don't make like matty. Now we're going to add the egg foam. Here, whole egg and sugar. From this egg, you will get very nice softness and sponge structure. So you will get very smooth cake. That's why egg and sugar we make like foam. So it giving you nice moist, like sponge moisture. So that's why this cake become very popular and viral, because this cake have nice moisture inside. This moisture coming from this egg foam. And see the guys how to mix. You need to mix only one side and up and down. So you cannot mix however you want. There's technique. So watch how the chef mixing. So do the same way. So please remove the scissor. Now almost ready the cake mixture. You can see guys, there is no flour, all mixed very nicely and mixture is very smooth. So now we are going to divide in the mold before baking.
Yes, you can explain.
Okay.
Take a big one first.
Okay guys, I'll show you how to make